Do you know Facebook saves your old files on your device, and over time this can cause the app to slow down or not show new posts, new updates, or even recent changes. Cache is temporary data that an app or website saves on your device to help it load faster next time. Clearing the cache removes these old files and helps Facebook work smoothly again.
Step 1. Clear cache from your Facebook profile. Open your Facebook app. From your main profile, tap the menu icon bottom right. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Browser. Tap Clear. Tap Clear again to confirm. Step 2. Clear cache from your Facebook page. Switch from your profile to your page. Tap the menu icon bottom right. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings. Scroll down and tap Browser. Tap Clear. Tap Clear again to confirm. Step 3. Clear Facebook cache from your phone settings. Open your phone settings. Tap General. Tap Phone Storage. Scroll down and tap Facebook. Tap Offload App. This clears the general cache and helps Facebook load new posts, updates, and changes properly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now.